Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard Coins Fast Easy Guide. Focus on daily challenges first and finish short match objectives each day. Play modes with bonus multipliers and group up for faster completion. Save coins by avoiding unnecessary purchases and using free rewards when available. Check your challenge list every session and prioritize tasks that stack with event bonuses for steady gains. Start each play session by claiming daily tasks and scanning the challenge board for high-value objectives. Choose quick matches that satisfy several goals at once to multiply efficiency. When possible, team with friends or clan members to complete group tasks faster and reduce retries. Maintain a steady play rhythm of focus sessions instead of long, unfocused grinding to keep progression calm and efficient. Watch the event calendar and plan around limited windows for doubled rewards and bonus multipliers. Combine event objectives with daily challenges to turn a single session into a big payday. Use temporary boosts during focus sessions to maximize value per minute played. Avoid using boosts on low-yield modes and bank coins when low-value items flood the store to protect your earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.